Hey there, I am Jayson Cowley. I am a Network and Security Technical Adoption Manager based out of Denver, Colorado. Hands-on labs for me was always a means to learn something at the beginning, right? If I needed to understand a technology better, I took hands-on labs. This was before I worked at VMware. And then once I joined VMware, it was an opportunity to learn more and more about the technologies. The technologies I was curious about, hands-on labs. The technologies I need to understand better to support my customers, hands-on labs. Security in itself has fundamentally changed for the data center. A perimeter firewall is no longer sufficient to keep your data secure. Attackers are no longer breaking in, grabbing information and leaving, or dropping a ransomware. They're breaking in and staying there for weeks and months on end. You have to assume that your attackers are already inside the environment. And the only way for you to ensure that your data continues to be protected is to find it and evict them before they can do damage. My primary focus is the manuals. I help with the pod creation, but primarily what I'm doing is building all the manuals, giving the steps, taking the screenshots, and making sure that it all makes sense when you try to take a lab. When you take this NSX security lab, you'll be acting as the security administrator for an NSX environment. What you can get out of this NSX security lab is a lot of best practice for securing your own environment, protecting yourself from lateral movement inside of the data center. What I'm most excited about for our lab this year is some of the advanced features that we'll be showing via the NSX Application Platform in all of the interactive simulations that we have. This is going to be able to give you an insight into the capabilities behind this cool advanced software and the security pieces that it'll provide to you. NSX provides a whole bunch of security feature sets to ensure that you know what's going on inside your environment and the best ways to make sure that your data is protected. What I love about hands-on labs the most is having an environment that I don't have to build in a home lab. I can break things really easily and then just try it again and again and again. Need to run a script, need to try a weird API, a weird configuration, hands-on labs. That's how I get everything done.